guys, so I'm right here at Skin Philosophy in BGC and I'll be redoing my facial. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my turn. Medyo late ako, 30 minutes because I've been to an event. Yeah, this is how their clinic looks like. I love this one. Parang Firefly siya na LTD, diba? That's so cool. And the interior is like white and purple. Ta-da! Okay, that's it. Yes, I'll be back later. Hi guys, so I'm already here in anong treatment yung dati?
Lancaster facial.
For the Lancaster facial, and I already met Dr.
Nikki Takayla.
Nikki, what?
Nikki Takayla po.
Takayla yun. So, we had a consultation first para malaman yung condition ng skin ko before I proceed to the treatment, which is the Lancaster facial. And this is how the room looks like. And she's gonna be my therapist. So, what's your name?
Akisa po.
Ayun. So, yun. So, I'll be doing the procedure and I'll update you later. Bye! So, cleansing muna yan, no? Kasi I have makeup. Hi guys, so I'm done with the cleansing and may pinamoy siya sa akin ng therapy. Kaya pina-inhale, exhale niya ako for 5 times and may kukunin lang siyang gamot kaya lumabas siya. So far, super nakaka-relax yung pag-massage niya sa face ko. Inantok talaga ako. Hindi naman siya like mahapde. Yan ba yung sa doctor na
Usually, yung chemical pills are mahapde. Pero ito, it's a new formulation kasi which only targets whitening. So, usually, hindi siya maapde. Pero minsan, may ma-feel kang parang kurot-kurot. Have you done chemical pills before? Do you feel anything?
Wala mo siya. Parang super light.
What kind of pills have you done before?
Hindi ko alam kung... Basta yung pagkasama sa mga diamond, yan kasama ba yan? Yung glycolic tincture.
Yung mga glycol. Kasi hindi pwedeng isama yung diamond, yung mechanical pill at saka chemical.
Paano yun?
You can do a chemical pill like glycolic pill together with a diamond pill. Kasi yung diamond pill is is a mechanical pill. Pero it depends naman po kasi like sa amin po, yung machine po kasi namin talagang medical grade po siya. So, yun po, we do screening before and after.
So, hindi pala siya pwede.
Pero ito po, yung multi-step nito, after po nito ng chemical pill, the next is the mechanical pill. Ito yung hydrogen pill. But this one, it's a very, very light pill. Kasi it only uses water at saka air pressure. So, it just scrapes off the upper layer. It's actually more on exfoliation. Pero it helps in evening out the area.
Yan, tapos pagkadagaan na lang sa ice, yung pikit niya. Mababasa lang po yung ano natin.
Water yan?
Apo, water na may oxygen po.
Yun nga yung diamond pill yata yun.
Ayos na. Kasi yung Lancaster facial namin is whitening. Puro-puro siya sa whitening.
Hi guys, ang ganda ko diba? So, ito na whitening facial. Sobrang na-close yung mata ko na ano siya sa ilong. Kanya super nasilaw siguro. Super sakit nung pag-break. Pero, tolerable naman siya. Super gusto ko yung Hydra facial. Yung Hydrojet peel. Yun. Nakaka-relax. Grabe parang weird yung tsura ko. They look like yung sa mga movies na naka-mask. Diba? Namula yung mata ko. So, yan. 20 minutes and babalikan niyo daw ako. Matutulog muna ako. Bye-bye. Gusto absorb.